Hey guys, and welcome. You clicked on this video for a reason, so let's cut the snap and get started. But something I can't skip is the disclaimer. Remember guys, the information provided in this video is for educational purposes only and should not be taken as financial advice. The viewer should always do their own research and due diligence before making any financial decisions, including investing in cryptocurrency. So, what you guys want to do first is hop onto Coinbase. If you're not already signed up, feel free to check out the link in the description. It's completely up to you. But if you sign up using that link and buy or even sell $133 of crypto, we both get $13.37 in Bitcoin. Now, the reason why Coinbase would be one of the best options for you as an investor would be that it's very secure. As a young investor myself, I was very confused on what platform to use. There were so many available, but the problem was that they were too complex to use, weren't safe, or were just very suspicious. The biggest reason to consider Coinbase is because they are publicly traded, meaning they have a stock. It's pretty rare for crypto trading platforms to have a stock, and of course, a company is limited in what they can do, as they will impact their value. Back to the topic on how to purchase this cryptocurrency. The first thing you want to do when you're logged into Coinbase is to click the trade button on the left hand side. And then once you're here, click on search all assets and type in this crypto's name. It's going to pop up if you enter the name correctly, and then click on the buy button. You might get a pop-up asking you which option, but just choose the one-time purchase option. It's going to default as $0, so click on the value and enter how much you want to buy, and simply click the buy button. It's going to show you more details of your transaction, including the fees, and then after it's going to redirect you to your payment method to validate your transaction. Once that's done, this new crypto should show up immediately in your wallet. You guessed it, now's the time to run this crypto under the official MTRR test. In terms of market capitalization, this cryptocurrency would earn 5 stars. It's a cryptocurrency with a market capitalization in the top 10 to 20 globally, indicating a high level of overall value and investor interest. In terms of trading volume, this cryptocurrency would earn 5 stars. It's a cryptocurrency with a daily trading volume of over $50 million, indicating a high level of liquidity and investor interest. In terms of roadmap, this cryptocurrency would earn 5 stars. It's a cryptocurrency with a detailed and comprehensive roadmap that outlines a clear vision, specific goals and milestones for the future, and a well-defined plan for achieving them. In terms of retrospective performance, this cryptocurrency would earn 5 stars. It's a cryptocurrency with a consistent and strong historical performance, with a clear upward trend over a period of at least 1 year. As I said before guys, this should not be taken as financial advice, it's simply what I think. You guys should always do your own research and use your due diligence before making any financial decisions, including investing in cryptocurrency. I hope this video was helpful and you guys were able to learn how to buy this cryptocurrency. Feel free to comment down below any questions, advice or feedback you have. I make a lot of videos like this, so if you want to stay tuned for more, make sure to subscribe.